Today, we will see how to use the Gizmo artificial intelligence to create a product review article. So with Gizmo, you can create three types of articles: product reviews, products roundups, and general content. Today, we'll see how to create a product review using artificial intelligence about a product that we talk about on our WordPress website. So after you have installed the Gizmo WordPress plugin and the Gizmo Chrome extension, and you know which kind of product you want to promote from Amazon, all you have to do is to go on Amazon.com and search for your product. For example, we want to promote something related to oysters. So we look for oysters, and here we see all the Amazon products. We'll select one product that we want to feature. For example, we can order by price high to low because we most likely want to promote mostly the expensive products with a high margin, meaning that we will also get some commission if we drive some sales. For example, here, these oyster mushrooms are quite expensive. So let's select, for example, the most expensive product. Once we open the product page, if we have installed the Gizmo Chrome extension, automatically we will have the possibility to add this product to the list of products we want to review to get the Gizmo artificial intelligence to review. So all we have to do is to press the plus button, and here we go. You saw probably that while the artificial intelligence is thinking and downloading the details of the product, we had a small icon showing us that we have to wait, and once it's done, we have this icon validating that it's done. Now we can go back to our WordPress, reload Gizmo AI. Maybe it's not as necessary, but doesn't cost anything to do it, and go to product review because now we want to publish a product review. And here we can see that our product is here. So if we had selected more than one product, we'd see them all here. As we have selected one, we can see it here, and what we can do is to prepare this article, so this product review. All we have to do is to click on prepare. Now it is queued for processing. So depending on how many people are using the system at the same time, and the load, the workload, also the queue, what is already behind and everything, it might take more or less long time. Usually we have observed less than 5 minutes per article, but of course it depends on many things, and we cannot ensure that it will always be the case. So now you have to wait that the artificial intelligence prepares. Oh, so it is done already, so less actually than 1 minute. Once it's done, the article has been created, and we can click on review to generate an article. So here we go. We have an article that has been well, not yet been generated, but is ready to be generated. So here we can change our Amazon affiliate tag if we want to. For us, it is fine. We can have an SEO keyword. So for example, in our case, the SEO keyword is oyster mushroom. Here we go. And if we select internal related posts that have been identified by AI, we can make sure that the new article will actually have links to these other articles to help with SEO, and to include naturally links to our related articles in the generated article. So we can have a look. For example, we have here an article about mushrooms, another article about mushroom. Deal is not really related, bail isn't either, time not so much. White truffle can be related because truffle is a kind of mushroom. So for example, this is most likely the kind of articles that we want to link naturally from our article. We can also select if we want to create relevant schemas or create monetization carousel. So in our case, we want the schemas for the article to be better picked up by search engines, and we want the monetization carousel so the visitors will have an incentive to buy related products from the carousel. And even if they are not interested in the product that we directly talk about in the article, they might click on links to other related articles. So we definitely want that. Let's create a product review post and see how long it takes. Again, it might take a few minutes. So now the AI had previously downloaded the data from Amazon, and now we are waiting for the AI, the artificial intelligence, to actually write the article, to create this article. So as you could see, it took only a few seconds. Okay. So now the article should be created. I should not have clicked on this, but if we want, we can create another article, but that's not the case. Now we can go to post. And here we go, we have the draft. This article has just been created by the artificial intelligence and it is set as a draft. So all we have to do is to go and edit. And we can edit the article that has been created, add more sections, add more contents. Sometimes my WordPress is not loading properly, so I reload the page. Here we go. So this is the article that has been generated by AI. Oyster mushroom delights, elevate your dishes with dried mushrooms, blah, blah, with description mostly of the article, of the product that we selected from Amazon. It has downloaded a few pictures. So here we have the nutrition facts for this product. And always we have links by an Amazon. So these are affiliate links with our tag. If you can see on the bottom left of the screen, I'm not sure if it's really visible, but if I move the mouse, you will not see it anymore. But we have the affiliate link, our affiliate link with our Amazon affiliate code, which is the most important. So here we have several paragraphs explaining what are the mushroom, how good they are, blah, blah, blah. You can, of course, improve this article. You can reuse it. You can do what you want with it. Now it is your article that has been generated by artificial intelligence. Here we have the product carousels with related products. So for example, someone looking for oyster mushroom might be interested in a oyster knife, in an oyster set, in a other kind of related products. We have also a list of pros and cons, and here we have related articles that are linked to from our generated article, a conclusion at the end, and a few questions and answers that you can easily improve. So if you ever want your article to go up a little on search engines. For example, it's very easy to add a question and answer to the question and answer section. And here we go. Our article is done. We even have more content here. We have our focus key phrase defined in Yoast SEO because we use Yoast SEO. So of course, if you don't use it, you won't have it, but we do use it. Now we want eventually to review the slug. The slug is fine. Meta description also is great. Okay, all is good. And now all we have to do is to publish our article. We are ready to publish immediately. So let's publish. And here we go. Our post has been published. Let's open it in private window so we don't see the administration interface. And here we go. Our beautiful article about oyster mushroom automatically generated by artificial intelligence using Gizmo has been generated. So all you have to do is to create a Gizmo account. If you just put $1, you will be able to create free articles from Gizmo, and then they have other possibilities. The link is in the description, and Gizmo, as you saw, is amazing, simple to use, and creates your affiliate articles from Amazon very, very fast. So good luck with your affiliate website.